My stop sign is glitched.
That Blu-ray vision just going.
I went the wrong way.
You paint my bus red. Okay.
What?
People be running. The power even have
Who
an
got their
elementary
bus
school?
red? It's
Yeah.
like bloody
I'm gonna hit
red.
elementary school soon.
Oh,
This is right.
Bloody red.
well, I wonder why nobody added to this game.
Hold on, wait till y'all get to H to see my bus.
I see two army, bro. I see two army, bro. Red light, red light, red light.
How dare you paint my bus?
Whoa, the brakes suck.
Oh,
I'm gonna see too.
red light.
Oh, I didn't. The light
He was
green,
alive.
buddy.
Oh, Dante, you should have seen that. He ran the.
The brakes suck on this bus. It's not my fault.
I'm about to get it for you. Watch this.
You know the
Nah,
light was
I
green.
can't do it because Dante's watching. Dante's watching.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is. He's lying.
Actually, not watching. I'm driving to the HS right now. I almost there.
I'm just making my way to do my
So
route this
Willow's the
morning.
first bus.
Who that C2? Bro, I see that C2 turning right on the one direction. Good job there. That's not the way to HS.
I
Oh
kinda
my
like you like
goodness.
Whoa, Willow. What you say?
Why is there a red bus at HS?
Yeah, why is there a red bus?
Who changed the bus
Really?
red?
Willow.
That's
Willow.
weird.
What-
There's some rare red bus.
Get away.
I didn't see it, but I hear it.
Literally
I can hear you guys saying that.
buses.
Since you said that,
Y'all
it makes me laugh so hard.
Here we go.
Y'all, that's Clifford the school bus.
Clifford the school bus. Duh.
Clifford this.
More like LOL. Clifford the red dog.
Yo, this bus is flying.
More like Clifford the red bus.
Change my bus.
LOL.
No, change my bus to blue. No, change my bus to blue.
Make it like Sonic the Hedgehog. More like Sonic the Bus. Get
Change
it?
my bus
You know
blue.
my dashboard is red.
Make it Sonic the
Pink is
Bus
red.
here.
Even my dashboard red. I see black.
I'll be
My
really
seat's
happy if
black.
this.
Am I the only bus that's
Who's changing buses cover? I'm not even so far. I'm not even getting my bus cover changed. It's just that regular Bluebird 2022 Bluebird Vision.
Out of all buses, mine is the best color. Cyan. Willow's bus is all burgundy. Oh, he got a cyan bus.
I like the way this update was completed. It's so
This
neat.
dude got a cyan
Because
bus.
the one time this game was really bad because it was just a little empty. But now it's like more better.
Hey, who that in that 2013 pulling these? Oh, that's Dante.
I'm on traffic.
Dante,
Stuck in
fix the color,
traffic.
please.
I'm in a red light right now.
Why
Fix
do
the
you
bus,
have
please.
roads that
Dante,
ended?
fix my
Okay, I'm gonna
bus.
turn. I
It's
think.
red.
I was gonna turn, but
Wait,
I
wait,
just
wait.
missed my turn.
Wait.
Ah,
It makes
forget it.
sense. If
I
you
think I
put
have
your
to turn
red
that
on,
way.
Do
they're
not
actually red.
change the color. I can do it. Get back. Bro, change my bus back yellow, please. Dante. I'm gonna race Dante to the front. Hey.
Oh my
There you go.
goodness.
Change the thing so like none of us know where to go because these roads are freaking ending.
Okay, I'm finally a screen because it took forever. Okay, when it's always
Traffic lights.
Why are
traffic
these
lights are
roads
so
ending?
useless. It just takes
You
forever.
forgot me.
I wish it was faster.
Bro, these roads are
Instead, it takes forever.
Dante,
What?
why are these roads ending?
I don't know what you're talking about.
At least I
went
made
the
it to my
wrong
first
way,
stop.
now
I'm
where
almost
to
made
go?
it to my first stop.
Stop. Look on the map. Look on the map. Who the ones that took in the ESE lot? Oh my
Don't trust
goodness.
people to play a game, but they gonna do something.
Hey Dante, I have a question. Are you gonna release an elementary school coming soon?
Yes.
Oh.
Yo, we should do a Q&A with Dante.
Yeah, we could have like an elementary school. I think it'll be coming soon. Not now, but I mean like later.
Hey, that's a Uzi. Why am I to my bus? Who to spawn my bus? Yo, who to spawn my bus? I guess I got
Who's in the C2? Who's in the CE right here? This CE needs to. Oh my god.
What's wrong? Who's controlling me?
Who's in the CE right here? Behind whoever's in front of the Bluebird and
I'm
Yeah.
gonna ride for Dante back.
Could be some random people that are so dumb. Like the people who are driving it should not take one of them. I don't know. I'm just making up some dumb gay thing.
Oh, who opened my emergency exit, bro?
We
Yeah.
got 2021 here.
How do you expect us to
I'd be
go to
so
that
brutal if
far?
someone did that. I swear, that'd be really upsetting.
Can't close the
So
emergency
easy.
exit.
Who
Oh
back?
my
Who is that, bro?
goodness.
Somebody cut.
Bro, somebody open, I
Holy
can't
cow,
close it.
people are cheating. It's
Your
like
back door
cheating
stuck,
things going
Willow.
on here.
Your back door stuck. 2013 Bluebird Vision.
It was in 2019.
I'll drive a 2019, but my bus got these automatically. I don't know who did
I
it.
said who was in 2019.
I don't
Actually,
know.
I'm on my way
I'm
to
too hot now.
HS
The
right away.
pot.
I think this is gonna be my last stop. I think I'm making way for my last
What's
stop because I
taking y'all
know
so
there's gonna be a
long
lot of
to
drivers
depart?
who are just.
Please.
Oh, you're already departing?
The CE.
Ah, you kidding me?
The
I'm
CE
late
was
right
blocking
now.
Everyone.
This is okay.
What? Deb, you better not.
What
Deb,
do you
better not.
mean?
En route. Go to live and we're gonna do some PM later on.
Yes.
PM.
What if we forgot our parking spot?
Nobody
think you're
cares
doing-
about your parking spot.
You can park any way you want.
Yeah.
I can't spawn my bus now. I'm gonna just get another bus then.
Oh, I remember the last time when everybody departed, the stupid
I just
Bluebird
want your bus
C2
now.
crashed
Wait,
into
John,
me.
I
remember
just
the
want your
last
bus,
time.
I'm gonna just follow the C2 right
He's
here.
fine.
You know,
Oh, it's okay.
you remember Route 5049's accident?
What you said down there? I couldn't hear because they were talking.
You know,
Look at the chat.
5049's
You spawn
accident?
your bus too, K.
Oh my goodness, you guys are
I
not
can't.
listening.
Wait, it did. It worked.
Oh my goodness. You know where 5049 Route 59's accident? So you know what happened to before the last time I did this with 5049? This stupid Thomas C2 was speeding and crashed into me.
Teach how Dante drives. No.
Did you see that? Did you know the accident of the bus?
Done.
This is the Muggle. Why is here?
Who in the C2?